Good morning, students. As I have sent you the click of this chart that we have done earlier, accounting treatment of goodwill at the time of admission of a new partner. Premium method as well as memorandum method we have done. A complete chart is given to you. You have to maintain this chart in your fair notebooks as well. Now let's see in illustration number 41. When new partner is bringing partial amount of goodwill in cash, means when a new partner brings only a part of his share of goodwill. It means in this type of questions you find premium method as well as memorandum method, because partial amount is bringing in cash and partial amount is not bringing in cash. You find both of the method in one question altogether. How to deal with this? Let's see illustration number 41. A and B are partners sharing profit in ratio 3:2. They admit C into the firm for 1/4 share, which he takes 1/6 from A and 1/12 from B. For this line help you for the calculation of sacrifice ratio. It is given specifically that he takes 1/6 from A and 1/12 from B. By taking the LCM, we will get the ratio 2:1. So 2:1 will be our sacrifice ratio. C brings rupees 60,000 as goodwill out of his share of rupees 90,000. The total share as per the new partner profit, the total share has become 90,000, but he is bringing only rupees 50,000. It means the new partner is bringing the partial amount of goodwill. For 50,000 we have to give the treatment according to premium method, and for rest 40,000 we have to give the treatment according to memorandum method. Let's see. Now, no goodwill account appears in the books of the firm. Till now, there is no goodwill is already appeared. It means there is no question to write off the old goodwill. Pass a necessary journal entry to record this arrangement. I'm repeating the statement once again. A and B, two old partners with their old ratio 3:2. New partner share 1/4 is given that. Along with that, how much he is acquiring from the other partner is also given to you. So that's why it helps us to calculate the sacrifice ratio. In the next line, it is given that C is joining the firm by bringing 50,000 for his goodwill, partial amount out of his 90,000 share. The total share is 90. He is bringing 50,000 in cash as a goodwill. It means partial amount of goodwill, a part of share of goodwill is brought by new partner in cash, and no goodwill is appear in the books till now. What to do in this type of cases? First of all, let's come to the solution part. Bank account debit to premium for goodwill account. Premium for goodwill account debit. As we know, 50,000 brought in cash. So we have to put the entry premium for goodwill. And 40,000 he is not bringing in cash. So for 40,000 we have to open the current account of new partner. So 40,000 will be new partner. The total 90,000 is divided among both of the partner in their sacrifice ratio. That's all. It is very simple. I am repeating. You have to put the amount debit whatever he is bringing in cash, whatever he is not bringing in cash, it will be debited to new partner current account. The total amount will be credited to both of the partner in their sacrifice ratio. Thank you.